Sometimes we are in a really mushy mood and want to watch a drama that's super romantic. One aspect of Korean dramas that fans are hooked on is the romantic scenes that will make you blush as if you were a teenager again. Here's a look at 10 hottest romance Korean dramas that will have your heart racing. Number 1. Nevertheless. Park Jae-yeon finds dating a waste of time but likes to flirt. Even though he's friendly and cheerful towards all, he does not pursue others. Park Jae-yeon is a master of push and pull who doesn't get swept up in emotions. Jae-yeon draws firm lines between himself and other people and doesn't reveal how he feels. Yet, when Park Jae-yeon meets Yoona-bi, he wants to cross those lines. Yoona-bi wants to date but doesn't trust love. After a bitter experience with her first love, she doesn't believe in destiny anymore. But when she meets Park Jae-yeon, he has a magical effect on her that challenges Nabi's decision to stay aloof. This series is definitely for a more mature audience rather than the normal rom-com ones. The charm of this drama lies in the super good-looking cast and the realistic portrayal of modern love. Sexual tension will keep you at the edge of the seat. The chemistry between the leads are incredibly sizzling. This, a masterpiece in this genre of mature romance. Number 2. What's Wrong with Secretary Kim? The series revolves around the narcissist Lee Young-joon, the vice president of a company run by his family. He is a very self-absorbed and thinks highly of himself, so much that he barely acknowledges the people around him. Lee Young-joon has a capable and patient secretary, Kim Mi-soo, who has remained by his side and worked diligently for 9 years without any romantic involvement. However, Mi-soo now wants to set her life and focus on herself, so when she decides to resign from her job, a hilarious misunderstanding ensues. After 9 years of the strictly workplace relationship, can it now develop in something more? If you're looking for best romantic comedy drama, then you're in the right place. The leads have their chemistry bang on. They are funny, emotional, yet super hot as a couple. Lee Young-joon delivers another simply awesome performance as an adorable narcissist. Kim Mi-soo is the hardworking smart secretary who can simply nail anything with her beautiful smile. Number 3. W. Two Worlds. Oh Sang-moo, the father of cardiothoracic surgeon Oh Yeon-ju, mysteriously goes missing while writing the last chapter of his webtoon W. Yeon-ju goes to his office looking, but a hand from his monitor suddenly pulls her in and she finds herself on the rooftop of a building next to a bloodied man. She manages to save the person, only to realize that he is Kang Cheol, the main character of her father's webtoon. Yeon-ju later discovers she can only enter and leave the webtoon depending on Kang Cheol's feelings. W is a very unique show. It pulls from different themes in a variety of genres and melds them into one. The two main characters did an amazing job ever since the first scene. So if you love romantic dramas, then this one doesn't delay the kiss scenes at all and cuts right to what the fans want. Number 4. My Secret Romance. Cha Jin-wook is a son from a wealthy family who runs a large company. He usually only pursues short-term love, but when he meets Lee Yo-mi, who has never had a boyfriend before, he changes. In a dating world full of busy people who tend to flirt and chase some relationships rather than having meaningful connections that allow them to show their true feelings, this couple has a one-night stand. They meet again 3 years later, whereupon they kick off a shaky push-pull romance that will keep them on their toes as they fall in love. This is the kind of drama you watch strictly to get your romance fix. There are enough likable characters, cute moments, and a decent enough story to keep it entertaining. The skinship and chemistry between the main leads was great. I wholeheartedly recommend this drama to every rom-com lover who is looking for an easy watch. Number 5. Coffee Prince. This is a story about a popular coffee shop where male workers are only permitted. Problems ensue as a girl decides to work at Coffee Prince while dressed up as a male. What will happen to Coffee Prince? The story of youth and love will make the viewer's heart flutter. Number 6. her private life. A romantic comedy about a talented gallery curator named Sangduk Mi, who is an idle fangirl underneath her professional veneer. Meanwhile, her boss Ryan becomes a passionate fanboy of her. This is my favorite rom-com drama. Ryan made such a strong impression that he was known to set the bar quite high in terms of qualities a boyfriend should have. He is so good looking. He accepts you for who you are. He apologizes when he is wrong, and he is supportive and understanding. If you're seeking a pure heart drama that warms your heart, then this is the one for you. Number 7. While You Were Sleeping. The drama is about a woman, Nam Hongju, who can see accidents that take place in future through her dreams, and a prosecutor, Young Jae Chan, who struggles to stop the woman's dreams from coming true. Number 8. Encounter. Brought together by fate, a woman who seems to have everything and a young man who seems to have nothing decides to give up an ordinary life to be together. Number 9. Melting Me Softly. Due to a mysterious conspiracy, a man and a woman who took part in a 24-hour freezing project wake up 20 years later instead of 24 hours. In order to survive, the man and the woman have to keep their average core body temperature at 31.5. Their relationship develops romantically. Number 10. Something in the Rain. Yoo Jin-ah is a single woman in her 30s. She works as a supervisor at a coffee company. Yoo Jin-ah is an easygoing person, but she feels empty inside. Seo Joon-hee is the younger brother of her best friend Seo Kyung-sung. He comes back to South Korea after finishing work abroad. Yoo Jin-ah, though he was just a childish guy, but appears different to her now. Which of these romance Korean dramas did you find interesting? Please let us know in the comments down below. Also, please be sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.